Hello, how are you? It's Chin, and we're gonna practice in memory of our loved one, part 2. So last video is part 1. We're learning the movement stationary. Today we're gonna step into part 2, which is weight transfer, and the next one, part 3, you were traveling. This is Memorial Day weekend in Connecticut, and so it's actually a very, very raining weekend. So I'm glad I only have to do teaching you the transfer way I can be outside. So here, this is my home studio and video studio, and I will share you with the part 2. And of course, the room is a little limited. I'll do my best. And just tell you a little bit background, because if this is your first time see this video, it's called a contemporary qigong developed by me, which I just choreographed a couple weeks ago. Inspired by this beautiful service dog from my client, and they come take class. So the service dog named Dozer, he passed away suddenly, and we're so sad because he's just amazing student, and he will listen to command right away. He's watching us, and he take a rest and finish class. He always give all of us nice little hug, even we're not allowed to touch him. But he trusts us, he knows us. I miss him so much. He's so gentle and so well trained, behave, everything, and just great connection. So I dedicate this one to Dozer. Now, of course, you can dedicate to all your loved one. So I'm going to say, so you guys can change it. So it's like a little song going through the whole movement. So I will say it to my parents. They passed away a while back, and I miss them a lot. I talk to them all the time. So this part of it. And to all your friends, right? Anybody you pet, so you can change the word, your dedication, and to your beloved companion or your family, okay, or your friends. So here we go. You will hear me do. I will say to dedicate to my parents, dedicate to Dozer, dedicate to some of my amazing friends, which is passed away before me, and I miss them a lot, and I thank them. Always have that gratitude for their friendship. Okay, this is from last week, so it's part 1. Quick review. So, prepare yourself. 5 checkpoint has suspend from above. 3 things involve the time. I love to use reverse downward breathing when it comes to Qigong Tai Chi Chuan. I love to move the spine because that's your fountain of the youth. If your spine really stiff, tight, there's no youthful feeling, so you have to start moving them. But the most important thing is actually rooting, right? Just like trees and flowers and vegetables, anything, you have to root. Human, we have to root wherever you are. You learn how to acclimate to the area. You start rooting and create your life, okay? So here we go. So you ready? To my beloved mom and dad, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for all your love and teaching. Over the rainbow you reside. In the forever heaven. To my beloved mom and dad, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for all your love and teaching. Over the rainbow you reside. In the forever heaven. Okay, so that's part 1. Part 2 is a little difficult, but we have no fear. We're going to learn it. So I changed my direction a little more so I can have enough room. The room is limited, so I rehearsed it many times to try to find the right way. Okay, so you ready? You're going to start with your knee bend. This is the preparation before I put the movement together. So you need to practice transferring weight. Not easy, but it's definitely possible. So you bend your knee. The legs in the back always heel up. Okay, now I softly pull my right leg back, the heels in the back, the right leg, extend the hip, right? Contract the glutes and down. So you get nice hip flex open. And prepare, practice a couple more times. Forward and back. Going forward, tummy and back. One more time. Going forward and softly bring it back and bend your knee, return. We want to strengthen that quadricep. It's so important because you know as we get older, everybody gonna get older, and you want to be functional. That quadricep is so important to strengthen quadricep and the flexibility, right? So you hear people say, I can get up, right? I can't sit down. I need the chair with the arm. I can't get out of the car. I can't get in the car. I can't walk up the stairs. I can't get downstairs. So a lot of those is your quadricep. That's why I love to teach you Qigong and Tai Chi Chuan, because you're going to be so functional no matter what your goal is, right? If you want to live to 120, 90, 80, doesn't matter. Or 150, you want to be functional. So that quadricep. Okay, now we're going to the other side. So from here, I'll bend both my knee. The weight's on this one is false. So you slide forward, squeeze the glutes, engage your downward, pull back, and go. The back heel is up. Again, slide forward and back. And sliding forward and back. One more time. Push forward from the back leg and support from the back leg. Okay? So now we're going to put a movement to it. So we're going to add a spine movement as you're hugging. You soften yourself so you open. So you're going to round arm and round spine. Okay? So you ready? Let's put together, reverse it down the breathing. On the inhale, your hollow tummy comes in. Exhale, release, okay? So I have this beautiful undulation, flexion, and the extension. Then we add a lateral flexion when we go talk about the rainbow. Okay, so ready? Prepare yourself. Take an inhale, exhale, soften the knee, get ready. To my beloved mom and dad, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for all your love and your teaching. Over the rainbow you reside. In the forever heaven. To our beloved dozer, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and hugs. Over the rainbow you reside. In the forever heaven. To my beloved friend, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and friendship. Over the rainbow you reside. In the forever heaven. To my beloved mom and dad, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and teaching. Over the rainbow you'll reside in the forever heaven. So as you see and you hear, you may change the dedication to whoever you would like to present to, and keep practicing. And next week we're going to use that to travel, so more challenging on the balance. So this part 2 is really strengthen, right, your quadriceps. So when you start travel, you don't get too so wobbly. Okay. Thank you for your time, and take good care, and I'll see you the next lesson, part 3. Thank you.